If you're pondering a bathtub replacement for your Hayden, Idaho home, you're not alone. I'm from Bath Planet, and we help Kootenai County, Idaho homeowners replace bathtubs with safer, easier to maintain systems, often in just 1 or 2 days. Let's talk about a few clear signs your bathtub may no longer be safe. First, look closely at the surface. Do you see cracks, chips, or stains that never seem to go away? Those aren't just cosmetic. They can trap water, promote bacterial growth, and allow moisture to seep into the floor beneath your tub. Next, pay attention to how the tub feels underfoot. If it flexes, feels soft, or makes creaking sounds, the support underneath could be failing. That movement can lead to leaks, hidden water damage, and an increased risk of slips and falls. Then think about accessibility. If stepping over a high tub wall is getting harder, or you're relying on loose fixtures for balance, your bathroom isn't working for you anymore. A new bathtub or low threshold system can make everyday bathing feel steady and stress-free again. When we replace a bathtub, our factory-trained in-house crews remove the old unit, check for hidden issues, and install a thick, durable Bath Planet system that's designed to last and is much easier to clean. If you're worried about the tub in your home, schedule a free consultation with Bath Planet, and let's see if a safer bathtub replacement in Hayden, Idaho is the right next step for you.